still does PCO service. Oh, you good? Yeah, I've repaired this. I think he still does that. He was strict though. Very strict. Not bad strict, but like good strict. Like Heidi. Because I know Heidi was tough. Let's go. Yeah, that's to tell Chris what I ordered, right? So we went to Red Goat. I ordered a walleye, a chili, wings, and then a beer. $31. Roll that. You know what Mary said? Oh my God, Daddy, God damn it. You know, one time we went to this restaurant. I can't remember what day it was, but they said like $600 roughly, right? No, you can't remember. I don't want you going down.
Yeah.
But like I said, I can't remember what the restaurant's name was. It was a Mexican restaurant, but I had ordered like a big, I can't remember the name of it. I ordered something from there, and it was, the price was outrageous. It was like almost $97 for all of it. And my mom was like, holy moly, you ordered the most expensive thing. You know, Mary doesn't like Mexican food. But Roger's the same way. He doesn't like Asian foods. He doesn't like stuff that's from Korea, China, Japan, any of the Asian areas, or even Thailand. When your aunt made that dish, whatever it was really good. When we had that during Christmas, I thought it was really good. That's one of the most hardest stuff to do. You're good.
I'm fine.
Yeah. That's why I told you we're going to go this way, because it's a little easier. There's not as much snowbanks. They clear mostly over here.
Yeah.
Over there are houses, and people don't do them. They expect the city to do them for them.
Mm-hmm.
It's just terrible, I think. My brother's like, oh yeah, you take a shortcut. You can't just take a shortcut through your area. That's a business, a company. How would you like if someone took a shortcut through your backyard? When I used to hang out with Cody, when he, or whatever it is, like his friends, because they knew Cody lived over there. They'd always take a shortcut through his backyard, and his dad would get after them. Like, hey, use the sidewalk, everybody else. Quit going through my yard. It's like. And I would ask for it, like, do they always do this? Like, every single day. They'll hop the fence, go over. They quit doing it once his dad actually got a dog. Hey, you don't have to worry about the dog barking. Oh, speaking of barking, I need to tie my shoe. My back's bad.
Oh, man. Sure.
Don't worry about it.
Just be careful. Should I stay right here? Because I don't... That's slushier than heck.
Well, once we get over there, then we'll walk.
Walk across.
Over here is fine, but like where...
I know.
That.
I'm just trying to be careful.
Once we get where the stop sign is, we'll have to walk on the road.
Yep.
As long as you watch for cars, you know?
Mm-hmm.
That was good. that was $31.